If you're getting frustrated building your brand online and your presence and you think it's not working, then you need to up what you're doing. So you've heard of that saying, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results is just crazy. So my biggest advice I can give you is, most of us, it doesn't happen overnight, including myself. It's been a long slog to be able to, in the last 3 years, to be able to have my own business that is full-time income for me. It took a long time. It took years and years and years. And then the influence, well, not really the influencing payments, but, the payments that I get from Google, from, my YouTube channels and from Facebook and so forth, they can take time. Some people, it's going to happen overnight, but, for most of us, 99% of us, it doesn't. So you just have to keep going and you've just got to double what you're doing. If it's not working, posting be realistic. If it's not working for you, that posting every couple of days, post every day for 6 months and see what happens. Be consistent. Work with new features of a platform. When a new feature comes out on a platform, it means that the platform wants you to use it, so you're more likely to have your content pushed out. And be yourself. Most times when I see content that hasn't worked, it's because the person hasn't stepped into their authenticity. I know that's hard. I know that's not that easy, but that's really, really the key. Step into who you are, and the rest really does follow. Just stick with it. You can't fail if you don't give up. So just keep going with it. Like I said, it took years for me, years and years and years. So just keep going. Don't forget to subscribe or follow for daily social media tips.